Tired of repeating the same effects and settings on every project? Today, we're diving into the power of After Effects presets, the ultimate time saver for motion graphics artists. Let's begin by navigating to the Effects and Presets panel and find the existing effects you want to use. Create the look you want on any layer using any effects. I'm going for something with a bit of a glow and blur. After Effects are applied to my text. Now I'll adjust the settings of these effects until they look just right. Once your desired effects are applying, choose the layers that have your effects. Then right-click within the Effects and Presets panel, select Save Preset. A new window will appear here. You can name your preset in the preset name field with something descriptive and easy to remember. Then add a description to it. All done. Now to apply this preset, select a layer, then go to the Effects and Presets panel again and find your new preset. Then just drag it on top of the layer you want to apply it to. Instantly apply your custom effects in one simple step. You can share these to your friends to streamline your workflow. Keep on creating.